Hey there! Welcome to the ultimate guide on robo-advisors for beginners. If you're new to investing, you're in the right place. But before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description below to get your special offer on some of the best robo-advisors out there. Alright, let's get started. So what exactly is a robo-advisor? Think of it as your personal financial assistant, but without the suit and tie. Robo-advisors use algorithms to manage your investments automatically. It's like having a money robot that's always working for you. First up, we've got Betterment. It's a fan favorite for beginners. Easy to use, low fees, and great customer support. Betterment offers personalized advice and automatic rebalancing, which means your investments stay on track without you lifting a finger. Plus, they have a super cool app. So, if you're looking to start investing with as little as $10, Betterment's got your back. Next on the list is Wealthfront. Wealthfront is like a Swiss Army knife for your finances. Not only does it manage your investments, but it also helps you save for retirement and even offers financial planning tools. With tax loss harvesting and low fees, Wealthfront is perfect for those who want a bit more bang for their buck. Now let's talk about Acorns. Acorns is perfect if you're someone who struggles to save. It rounds up your everyday purchases and invests the spare change. Imagine buying a coffee for $2.75. Acorns will round it up to $3 and invest that 25 cents. It's like a piggy bank, but way smarter. Plus, they have a ton of educational content to help you learn as you go. And don't forget about M1 Finance. M1 Finance is for those who want a bit more control. It combines robo-advising with the flexibility to pick your own investments. You can create custom portfolios called pies, and M1 will manage them for you. It's perfect for those who want to blend automation with personal choice. Last but not least, we've got Sophie Automated Investing. Sophie offers no management fees, which is a huge plus. They're also known for their community and educational resources. With Sophie, you can start with as little as $1, making it super accessible for beginners. So, there you have it. Betterment, Wealthfront, Acorns, M1 Finance, and Sophie. Each of these robo-advisors has its own unique perks, so check them out and see which one fits your needs. And remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Start small, stay consistent, and let your money grow. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to get your special offer and start your investing journey today. Thanks for watching and happy investing. See you next time.